Welcome to WeCloudData Academy. Today we're excited to introduce our corporate training program. We offer a growing catalog of foundational, essential, and advanced courses in data, cloud, and AI, tailored to your organization's needs. Our courses cover a range of topics including data science, engineering, business intelligence, and AI across various skill levels. With a focused yet specialized catalog, WeCloudData offers advanced topics such as DevOps, MLOps, large language models, computer vision, and LLM ops. Our corporate training courses are fully customizable. Since 2018, we've been developing tailored learning programs for companies of all sizes. We specialize in scaling AI training for enterprises, accommodating hundreds or even thousands of employees through our proprietary learning platform. Our courses are designed to be practical and hands-on, emphasizing skills that can be applied immediately in the workplace. They feature industry-grade projects led by trainers who are both seasoned professionals and passionate educators. At WeCloudData, we don't just deliver content, we craft learning journeys. We bring years of experience managing and executing learning programs for university partners and enterprise clients alike. Our award-winning Data Science Bootcamp has been recognized by CIO Magazine as one of the top 15 bootcamps globally. We ensure that your team receives world-class training trusted by industry leaders. Our corporate training services include an e-learning platform, public training workshops, and custom training programs. We combine modern learning technologies with custom curriculums to offer an engaging and effective training experience. Our LMS features interactive modules, real-time performance tracking, and personalized dashboards to ensure learners follow structured paths. Learners can select the right courses, manage support tickets, and engage with mentors to meet their goal. For company learning and development teams, our LMS provides visibility into individual learning performance and tracks overall training KPIs. This helps ensure measurable results. Our e-learning option gives employees the flexibility to learn at their own pace while developing skills they can immediately apply to their work. The admission process includes self-paced assessments to guide learners to the most suitable learning path. Our public training workshop focuses on trending topics, helping employees develop practical technical skills through project-based learning that can be demonstrated to their managers and peers. Workshops run for 2 to 5 days and are available on weekdays or weekends, and they cover specific tools and skills in a project-oriented style. If your company is undergoing digital transformation or has significant upskilling needs, WeCloudData can help build custom programs and internal learning academies. WeCloudData offers the most up-to-date AI training catalog covering sought-after tools and skills for companies building modern data and AI applications. We work closely with learning and development teams to design tailored training programs that meet your company's upskilling and reskilling objectives. Our enterprise-grade e-learning platform supports seamless program management, onboarding, assessment, and reporting. We can also customize use cases and coding labs to align with specific industry needs, motivating students to complete training workshops relevant to their roles. Ready to get started? Get in touch with our Director of Corporate Academy to explore the best training options for your organization.